Hi everyone. I want to share how Fortray has played a significant role in my journey from being in no a from coming from no um, knowledge, no IT background, to securing my first job in the industry. I enrolled on their online program, cybersecurity program to be precise, and honestly, it was one of the best decisions I've ever made. The course was super comprehensive. They had like a syllabus that covered was basically what I needed to start to get on my first job. I didn't just keep it at the course itself. Just after every lecture, um, which was done at your own pace, to be honest, I went on YouTube, did more studying, did more research. What really stood out for me was the incredible support which came beyond the curriculum itself. They helped me prepare for interviews. They did mock interviews, did loads of mock interviews to land me my first job. It was a real game changer for me. After those interviews, I came out very confident. One of the last mock interview I got before I got my first job itself was quite intense. They covered almost every topic, which made the interview look really easy. And I felt I left the interview feeling very confident itself. During the course itself, I sat for an exam. The first one I did was two exams actually. The first one I did was MD 100 Windows Client exam, which added a recognized qualification to my CV, which actually gave me like a boost. Another thing that made the program special was the practice experience. I worked on real projects with them. I gained not only technical skills but also UK work experience, which is actually like needed for someone like me that just came into the country. You know, which made me speak more confident and in the interviews. After completing the first exam, which was in MD 100, I didn't stop there. I continued on to get a CCNA certification, which is more into networking, which I'm using right now. If you can look behind me, you see switches, and I'm actually at work. The training broke down complex networking concepts. With their resources and supports, I actually passed the CCNA on my first attempt, which is a huge milestone for anyone coming into IT, even for people already in IT. It was actually great. Using Fortray. I can wholeheartedly recommend Fortray to anyone looking to break into IT or the cybersecurity industry. Their expert-led training helped a lot. It helped a lot for me. It was a game changer, and I would say they were not just a trainer; they were a partner in my journey. Thank you very much, Fortray.